we just get an answer why the Senate was not consulted? Or why senators were not consulted, considering na malaking epekto itong ginawa nilang provision? Siguro Attorney Abad or Mr. Oñate. Bakit hindi ho?
What's the question again, Madam Senadora?
Hindi kasi parang, di ba ho, nag-meeting kayo with the Speaker. How come there was no effort to meet with the Senate President?
I was told that Congress already filed more than 300 resolutions regarding charter change, but all those 300 resolutions were ignored by the Senate.
And just because,
yun ang sabi sa akin.
Sino ho nagsabi sa inyo?
Yung mga kasamahan namin.
Like who?
Congressman Garbin, Congressman, and then my lawyers, Congressman Rufus Rodriguez.
Yung mga nilapitan
kaya gagawin daw jointly na dahil hindi binabasura lang ng Senado lahat ng mga resolution about charter change. 300 plus na daw.
Tapos naniwala ho kayo sa kanila. I mean, you didn't even bother, di ba? Malay nyo, itong present setup ng Senado, mas open sa usapin ng charter change. Was there an effort or no effort at all?
I just believed what they told me.
Very clear naman, Madam Chair, Senator Nancy, na gusto talaga nila tayong i-blind. The mere fact na inupakan nila yung PI na yan during our break, talagang may masamang intensyon. Very clear. Very clear.
So kung nagsaksito, what was the next step? What provisions were you supposed to change in the Constitution? Or ang end goal is talagang palitan na yung Constitution?
What I understood was this one body now, wherein everybody will now be called constituent assemblymen, will be the one that will debate and will be the one that will discourse, will be the one...
Pero Mr. Oñate, kailangan may end goal ho kayo eh. Ano yung end goal? Ano yung provisions na gusto nyong palitan sa Constitution? Or totally gusto nyo nang palitan yung Constitution?
That will be decided by the Constituent Assembly.
I mean, parang pinapaubayan nyo na din sa Constitution.
Yeah, well, me personally, yes. Because
Why?
I believe that congressmen and senators are bright people. They studied in Harvard, Yale, they graduated in Ateneo, LaSalle, UP.
So technically, hindi nyo pa ho alam kung anong gusto nyo palitan sa Constitution.
They are not puppets, they are not robots, so I think that they
very
are
clear, Mr.
capable.
Oñate, na ang purpose mo lang kaya ka sumama dito sa PI is to castrate the Senate. Wala ka palang habol doon sa kung anong magiging kalalabasan na mga amendments sa Constitution. Gusto mo lang talagang kami i-castrate.
Senator De La Rosa is it's gonna be a constituent assembly.
Kaya nga, kasi doon ka lang nakapokus eh. Nakapokus ka lang doon sa itong section na ito eh. Na gusto mong voting jointly. And then afterwards, gusto mo, bahala na sila. So wala ka palang...
I don't know what's gonna happen there, but all of you will be constituent assemblymen, and it will be you yourself.
So yung grupo nyo,
that will discuss everything.
Hindi alam kung ano yung papalitan sa kung ano yung details na papalitan dun sa Constitution.
Yeah, because in the ultimate analysis, it will be the Constituent Assembly that will decide everything.
Ma-diminish yung power of the Senate.
Madam Chair, Senator Binay, if I may just add, in our TV advertisement, nakalagay ho doon yung mga areas of concern. Yun po yung poverty, yun po yung education, foreign investments.
But your ad does not have any connection with the question. I'm sorry, walang kakonect yung...
Yes po, you are correct. Because kung hindi mabuksan yung pintuan, useless po lahat yung ipupush namin na
pero you created the impression na yun yung papalitan. Yun yung PI nyo. When it's not. It's not wala dito nakasulat about education. Technically, pag natuloy ito, pwede na tayong parliamentary system of government, di ba? Anything can happen.
Madam
Tama?
Chair, okay, ganito po yan. Ang pagkakapaliwanag sa amin ng aming creative consultant, si Mr. Greg Garcia, any campaign, ang unang-unang move is to catch public attention. Yun ho yung purpose. And with all humility,
your campaign
na kapag...
wait, I'm sorry, yung kampanya nyo should educate the people about your
Yes po,
initiative.
yes po. Yun ho
And
yung
that
second
is-
stage namin. Meron ho kami, inabutan na lang ho nito
Eh di
lahat.
sana gumawa
But
kayo
in
ng
fact,
ad. Gumawa kayo ng ad na sinasabi talaga na ito yung
meron
yung
ho kaming
Senado.
nakasunod. Marami po sunod-sunod dapat po yun na Madam Senator. In fact, Mr. Oñate, ang kanyang focus...
Yeah, pero sinasabi nga ni Atty. Oñate, bahala na yung Constitutional Assembly kung ano yung papalitan dun sa Constitution.
Yeah, Senator Nancy, if I may.
Yes,
If
go
I
ahead.
may. Alam mo, attorney, sabi mo, you want to get public attention through deception? Yung ba ibig mong sabihin?
Hindi po,
Kasi,
sir. Never our intention.
Yeah, very clear. Yung laman ng inyong ad is puro mga Edsapuera, ganon-ganon. Pero ang laman ng inyong PI, Section 17, Article 1, Section 1, Article 17, yun ang laman. So, ganun pala kayo ka-deceptive ng mga tao. You deceive the public. At suportahan ninyo ang PI para ganito, ganon. Tapos, ang laman ng pinapapirma ninyo, i-diminish ang power ng Senado. How deceptive can you be with this kind of approach?
We understand. We apologize. We understand your frustration, Senator De La Rosa. Dapat that was not our intention. Meron ho kaming second stage, yung public information campaign. Meron pa rin ho sana kaming ilalabas ng mga ads
Pero
na
how much
prepare
was
na po.
that?
Pero yung una, panlilin lang. Di ba napaka dami natin, 2023 Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability. Di ba? Lahat kayo, abogado. Section 12, Canon 2, lawyers must be informed, must inform their clients of dishonest, deceitful, misleading conduct. Ayan. Puros ganyan yan. Section 22, Canon 2, do not take advantage of a non-lawyer's lack of education or knowledge of the law. Eh, nambobola kayo eh. Kitang-kita yung TV ad. Nakita mismo itong form na walang katuturan. Linilin lang, sinusuhulan yung tao. Nasa Code of Conduct ba yan ng matinong abogado?
Wala po, Madam Chair. That was not our intention. We know na i-invalidate ng COMELEC ang mga signatures if tainted with irregularity or anomaly yung pagsulisit ng
Eh,
signatures.
ngayon,
Ayaw po
ngayon-
namin masayang ang lahat ng
Ngayon,
pinaghirapan.
Atty. Abisado, ang liwaliwanag, limpak-limpak yung apidabit, bibigay ko sa'yo. Anong masasabi mo ngayon?
That will be answered by the people in the operations, yung mga nasa
Ha?
ground po.
Bakit operations?
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Reginald Nazareno, kayang-kayang paikutin yung mga senador na hindi abogado nitong mga ito. Dapat si Senador Tolentino, Escudero, Cayetano at Pimentel ang dapat makaharap nito. Pahayag naman ni Michael Monilla, huwag na sana bigyan ng poder sa gobyerno yan. Sayang ang mga tax ng sambayanan Pilipino kung napupunta lang sa ilang official sa gobyerno na bulok at corrupt. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Roel Labor, parang ginagawang bugok ang taong bayan, nagpasa kayo ng PI ni hindi ipinaalam kung anong maging goal, para magawa lang ninyo lahat ang gusto nyo pagdating ng takdang panahon. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.